and Miss Grand Philippines, and cheers for more partnership in the future.
There we have it. Congratulations to Miss Emma Tigla and to Honest Glow. Cheers, everyone. That was a perfect toast to a perfect union. And now, it's time to hear a few words from the woman who truly has the honest glow, Miss Emma Tigla.
Grand afternoon, everyone. Ay, walang end.
Ulit.
Ulit. Grand afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here to our friends. Thank you so much for your time and for amplifying the stories to all the people. And to tell you like a background story, you know that I've been doing pageantry for so many years, and I've been doing TV hosting and field reporting, and I'm working under the sun and under the lights, like these lights. And what we really need is to really take good care of our skin, and I'm thankful that I am now part of Anna's Glow family, because the one that we really need right now is an honest care, honest choices, and honest glow. So thank you so much for making me glow, not just in the Philippine stage, but also in the international stage. Maraming salamat po.
Emma, can we ask a question? What made you say yes to Sir Dave? I'm sure a lot of proposals are sent to you with beauty products. You're so beautiful. So what made you say yes to Sir Dave?
Actually, I tried the product first, and then doon pa lang sa pangalan, catchy name. Sabi ko, gusto ko siya matry muna para makita natin kung talagang honest ba yung glow na nabibigay niya. And truly, it speaks honest glow to my skin.
Yes. And now, let's hear from Sir Dave. Sir Dave, can we just ask, out of many beauty queens, title holders, influencers, endorsers, what made Emma stand out for you? It shows her as the newest ambassador of Honest Glow, 190 and Honest Glow Project Papaya School.
Actually, friends kami ni Emma sa TikTok. Pero we never really met in person. So, nakita ko siya nagko-compete. Sabi ko, ay, parang may laban tayo. And parang 2 days bago yung coronation, sabi ko, ay, deserve niyang support. So, pumunta kami doon. And then, nakita ko siya nung final, sabi ko, oh my God, naka-orange siya. So, hinilig ako. Sabi ko, parang may connection ka agad between, pagkakita ko kay Emma on that very stage ng Miss Grand International, sabi ko, pag nanalo to, huwag na natin pakawalan si Emma. Tapos, the following day, parang nagulat kami kasi si Francis, parang he approached and then, pwede namang i-cheat regarding Miss World sponsorship. Sabi ko, Kelly, pag-usapan natin, pero I would like to ask one thing sana. Open ba si Emma for endorsement? Kasi I really want her for Honest Glow with that orange gown talaga. So, ayun, I'm very thankful. Hanggang ngayon, lagi kami pinapakilig ni Emma from time to time. So, we're very grateful to Sir Ian, of course, and to Emma for allowing to be the very face celebrity endorser of Honest Glow. It means a lot.
Thank you, Sir Dave. Sir Aldo, would you like to say anything?
Actually, she's the first one na celebrity endorser ng brand kasi our brand is hindi naman siya nakapokus into celebrity kasi we targeted organic user ng brand to spread syempre through mouth yung kung ano ba yung effect sa kanila ng brand. And yun nga, nung unang kita pa lang namin with Emma, especially nung lumabas siya na kulay koji, alam na namin ito. So, sabi namin, we need to get Emma no matter what. So, yun. Yes! And yung iPhone.
So paano pala kung black si Emma that time.
Kasi hindi lang naman yung kulay yung nagdala. Kasi kaya last minute talaga napabook kami. Sabi namin ni Dave. Kasi actually, si Dave kasi into pageant. And nung pinapakita niya sa akin na si Emma na